Hi, it's Michael here from Custom Bike Vid, and today in this video I want to talk about front hydration systems for triathletes. And I've got three different options here that I'm going to walk you through briefly. Now, and you'll see that these are all set up on a triathlon base bar, but you can have any of these systems set up to a road bike. It's not a problem. A road bike with clip-on aero bars, they work exactly the same way. And if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you'll know I'm a big fan of having a drink system at the front of the bike between the aero bars. And the reason for that is this is where your hands are and this is where your face is. So they're really easy to access. They help you, to remind you to keep drinking. You want to stay hydrated. And also when you put a drink system between the aero bars, it's kind of hidden from the wind as well. We want to reduce drag and make the bike go faster. So the first option I want to talk about is Profile Design's new, it's called their HSF 800. And really with this system, what you want to do is you want to make sure with this system that it's mounted on a flat set of aero bars. So you can see the major portion of the aero bar here is flat, and then it kicks up, we've got a ski bend. But you want to have this system horizontal. And the reason for that is that the fill cap is at the back. You don't want to put too much tilt on here because there's a chance that you might lose some fluid. But that said, you can mount these systems on top of your aero bar extensions, or you can mount them below the aero bar extensions if you want to get them lower. This system holds about 800 milliliters of fluid. You've got a Garmin mount here, so you can put your computer on. And we have a nice hose which actually tucks out of the way, it's magnetized. So this is a really good system if you want to have a hose at the front of the bike. And as I said, it attaches to the aero bar extensions. Okay, something like this is going to set you back, it's just under $200, $170 for this type of system. Okay, system number two, again, mounts between the aero bars, but unlike the first system we've looked at, this actual reservoir attaches to a stem. So it really doesn't matter what angle you have your extensions on. You can go as high as you want because it's not going to impact the orientation of the drink system itself. Again, these hold a lot of fluid, I think over 800 milliliters of fluid. You fill in here, okay? Again, a magnetic straw, so that just tucks out of the way nice and tidy. It acts as a fairing. This will actually tidy up the front of the bike, and it's a watt saving of about 5 watts, so you actually go quicker with this system on. It will turn, if you like, a standard road bike or a standard triathlon bike into more of a super bike. You see a lot of the time trial bikes these days have that integrated front hydration system. And again, you can mount a Garmin computer at the front here. You have the option to have a Garmin mount or a computer mount, or there's a piece, you can just take that off and it just finishes here nice and tidy. These are really nice looking system and very, very practical as well. And for something like this, the drink system itself is $219, but you need to buy a Profile Design -17 degree stem, about 90 bucks, and a faceplate. So all up, you're looking at around $340 for this system. The third system that I want to highlight is just is a system that actually clamps again in between the aero bars, and it just takes a standard drink bottle. Now you can put in the bottle of your own size. The bottle I have here carries 800 milliliters of fluid. You might want to put a smaller one in, 650. It really depends on your hydration needs. And again, it doesn't matter because the front of the bottle is where the fill is, and this is screwed on. It doesn't matter what angle we have our extensions at. So you can have them flat, you can have them sticking up in a ergo mantis kind of position if you like. And there are a couple of options. You can mount your Garmin or your computer directly on top of the cage, as you can see with this system here, or alternatively, same sort of thing, but we've got the computer mounted at the rear. So something like this is going to set you back under $100, so they're very, very affordable. What I really like about this system is that you're going to leave transition with a standard drink bottle, and on the course they're generally handing out standard drink bottles. So this is a really nice clean solution that's not going to cost you a lot of money. So really 3 hydration systems there for the front of the bike. As I said, I really think it's the first place that you should consider putting a hydration system regardless of the length of your triathlon. And all of these are available through Custom Bike Fitters, so if there's anything here that interests you, just send us a message.